Okay guys, this is going to be a little video for all you pocket bike riders out there. I'm going to show you, if you don't already know, how to change one piece pocket bike wheel and tyre. Tools you're going to need are 2 flathead screwdrivers, just some large ones, and just a little tool with a little hook on the end. So first what you want to do is you want to spray with a soapy solution water. You want to spray it all the way around the rim. Then you want to take your little claw tool and you want to stick it underneath it, but before that you want to actually break the bead. Just put all your weight on it. And by the way, I forgot to mention, let your tyre down, let it all the way down, take it off the bike, and then let it down. Break the bead with all your weight, just like that. And what you want to do, you want to take the tool and you want to grab that little bead like that. You can hear it pop. And then what you want to do, you want to pull it up. Then you want to go like that and just put all your weight on it and flick it up. Then after that, hold that down, rotate it. Then you want to take another little flathead. And if you're running a tube with this, just be careful because you might pop your tube. But this is a tubeless one. And then what you want to do is you just want to ease it up. If I can get it in here. Ease it up all the way around. And I'm going to use my foot for a second just to hold it. And what I'm going to do is, yep, I'm in, and boom, that's up. And then just keep making your way around like that. Whoops, slip them. And then look, and it's just peeling it off. Then just keep working your way around. And I want to stress, if it is a tube, just be careful. And then that's off. You've popped that bit off like that. It's only taken us about 2-3 minutes. So that's off. You can see it's hanging out the other side. So what you want to do now is you want to flip it over. Actually, you want to flip it over. You want to take this curved tool again, and you just want to put it in through that way, like so. So it's popping out like that. And then what you want to do is you want to pull it, and you want to flip it over, pop it down, and just hold it with your foot. Then just use all your weight and just keep prying that wheel off. You can use your flathead tool or whatever. Just use all your weight. And then I'm going to put a little bit of soapy solution around it, like so. Take the other screwdriver and pry that off like that. And then that should just pop off, and then there you go. That's popped off. And then what you want to do, just take it, clean the rim off. I've got a rag on the ground. And yeah, that's your rim off. Then you can go and install your new tyre. Oh look, it's a new tyre. Actually no, it's not, it's the old one. So what you want to do again, take your soapy solution, just soap all that up like so. Make it all slippery, flip it round, and what you do, you want to start from the corner edge here. Use all your weight and just slip it on. I'll use my knee as well, like that. And then you can see, just pop on. That's one side on, and that's it. It's all popped on nicely. And then you can just run your cordless, not cordless, tubeless, whatever that tyre bead thing was called in there. Put it on, pump it up, and you're ready to go. And that's it, guys. That's how you change a one-piece pocket bike tyre. And yeah, I'll be interested to see how long it took me. So yeah, that's it, guys. All you need is 2 screwdrivers, just one big flathead. This one here is probably about 40 centimeters, but you don't need one of them. You only need just a normal regular flathead. You need a little tyre tool. This is just the one I had, or you can go and buy one from like the hardware store, or you can get a set of them. I think 2 of them for about 20 or 30 bucks. And you're going to need your tyre. So that's it, guys. Comment, subscribe for more videos. And yeah, that's it.